Hello and welcome to Materio. I could not be more excited that you are here to explore what this platform has to offer. I'm Mary Beth. I'm co-founder and CEO here at Materio, and we have made this platform just for you. We have spent years researching what interior designers and design build firms need, and really not just what they need, but what their process and their workflow is. And in Materio, you're going to find connectivity between things like your scope of work and your floor plans, and you're going to take these items all the way through from the very beginning of your concepts and budgeting through invoicing and final install. So I am incredibly grateful that you're here to explore what this system has to offer. And I think that ultimately you're going to find that this is going to be the next best tool for you to organize and scale and grow not only your project size, but hopefully your firm and your practice as well. So there are a few things I want you to do as you're getting started. I want you to go to our YouTube channel and check out all of our resources there. There are videos, quick tutorials, long tutorials that you can go through and watch about the platform as you're onboarding during your trial. And then second, I want you to explore the sample project. The sample project that is in your account is yours to mess around with. I want you to click, add things, delete things, make component items, click on the plans, use the marking tools, mess with the timeline. I want you to use it as your sandbox to play, to see what Materio has to offer. And then last, I want you to start your own project. Now, I want you to think about a project that is just starting or recently started. A lot of people like to think about using an old project, but we don't waste time around here, and you're going to love Materio, so I want you to be working on something that is coming up. And the very last thing I want you to do is invite your team in, because we want to get your team's opinion on the tool, right? We want them to be able to see it, help make the decision as well. Now, hopefully it's going to be an easy decision, but I think it's really important that you consider everything that's in the platform and what it can do for you. Just to start, if you're using things like Canva, let's try to using the boards in Materio. If you're using a spreadsheet, you absolutely can replace that with Materio. If you're tracking orders outside of your design system, you can do that in Materio. So anyways, all of that to say, I want you to explore, I want you to push the buttons, and I want you to reach out if you have any questions as you're getting started. In your dashboard, there's a little chat bubble. You can chat with us from 9 to 5 Central Time, our normal business hours. Or if you have a list of questions as you're getting started, you can email hello@materio.co, and we'd be happy to jump in and answer those as fast as we can. So we are here to learn and support you as you take your business to the next level. Again, I'm grateful you're here. If there's anything you need, just reach out. Okay, it's time to get exploring. So go ahead, dive in, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.